CNIT, a little bit of a gapper this morning. I'm going to wait to play the bounce on this one. There are a couple of, stocks with a little bit of volume. This one's got about 380,000 shares traded already. And outside of soon, it's my assumption is that people who trade under $10 stocks, this is the one they're watching. So I'm going to be looking to play the bounce on this. And I'm going to see if I can get filled at 190 going long. I think I just missed it. Going to be patient on this one. I'm watching the level 2. I'm going to pause the video for a minute. We're 2 days from Christmas. Market's been a little bit slow. I just took a look around. I didn't really see anything going on. With this particular stock, the reason why they're up is that they regained compliance with NASDAQ, which is, I don't know, kind of mixed news. They got down below where they needed to be and they got in trouble, and now they're back up, so not sure about this one. I don't want to force anything, so I'm just going to wait for this one to show me something here. I'm going to be patient. So the volume on this one just slowed down. Not sure about this one. I was looking to go long on this one, but I just don't see it. And thinking about going short on this one, but it looks like, yeah, it's only up about 9% over yesterday. I'm going to watch this one for a little bit more. So I'm glad I didn't go long, because this one is headed down. So I'm going to be looking to play the bounce on this when it gets to, I don't know, maybe about 182. But the volume's got to be there, and it looks like the volume's kind of dying off. And generally my rule of thumb is I really like to play stocks that have already traded 1 million or 2 million shares before the open. And we're about 8 minutes in, and it's only traded about 700,000, so I might not take this trade. So this one just made a nice little run from about 188 up to about 208. And had some nice volume come in right here, so about 185,000 shares. And it looks like if it can break that 210, it might go up a little bit, and that might be where I want to go short, because this one is up currently about 18% on really nothing. I mean, outside of they're in compliance again. Okay, so there it goes. It's headed up. And that would have been a nice little place to buy right there at about the 188. So I'm going to be patient on this one. I might go short on this one here real soon. Okay, so I am currently short at 210. And what I'm thinking here is that it should start coming back down because it is about 20% up. There's really nothing going on today. I mean, I kind of feel that I'm forcing this a little bit. It's only got 1.5 million traded, which, you know, that it isn't bad, but, and just checking, you know, the tweet deck, it looks like there are quite a few people talking about this on Twitter, so, but I just don't see this one, you know, getting up to $2.53 today. And I'm gonna place my stop on this one at 220, maybe 225. Just because I don't think there's a lot of eyes out there today. There's not a lot of people trading. The volume just all around was really light this morning. So I'm just going to be patient with this one and let it do its thing. I'm going to pause the video here. Alright, so looking at the stochastics, it looks like this one needs to start selling off. And again, the stochastics isn't, you know, in concrete. It's just an indicator that a lot of people follow. And looking at the level 2, it looks like there's someone on the ask with a bunch of shares at 219, 220. So it probably is headed that direction. If it hits 220, I'm just going to bail out, just do a market order. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and get myself ready just to go ahead and cover at 220 if it gets up there. Yeah, it's going up there. Yeah, there's a ton of people at that 219 level. Looks like about 18 now, 36,000. Oh, about 40,000 shares that they want to get rid of at 219. All right, that number just greatly increased. There's somebody that's really wanting to get rid of some shares at 219. I'm going to go ahead and just bail out right here. All right, so I just covered at 218 for a loss. Just going to watch this one, see what it does. And my first thought was, yep, there it goes right there. It looks like all those people that were sitting there just got filled, and I'm glad that I got out when I did. So this is a great example of using the level 2 to help you stay safe in a trade. So there's not really a lot going on today, so I'm going to go ahead and close up for right now. Took an 8-cent loss. But, you know, it could have been worse. And it looks like this thing is just going to continue to rip, so. That's it for me. I'm done, so thanks for watching.